Hello aspirants, welcome to Bhadra IAS Academy. Today again in this particular short video lecture we will be discussing of freedom movements by Mahatma Gandhi from 1917 to 1942. In the last video we have discussed about the Champaran Satyagraha, and today in this video we will be discussing about the Kheda movement or Kheda Satyagraha. Now, before discussing what Kheda Satyagraha was, let me tell you what is the meaning of the term Satyagraha. Satyagraha means fighting for truth. Mahatma Gandhi's very important weapon was Satyagraha. He used non-violent measures. He used fasting. He used protests, non-violent protest for affirming his cause or the societal cause. Now, in Kheda Satyagraha, it is just similar, more similar like the Champaran Satyagraha. Like Champaran Satyagraha was also a peasant uprising. Similarly, Kheda Satyagraha was also a peasant protest, a farmers' protest. Let's see. Kheda Satyagraha of 1918 was a Satyagraha movement in the Khera district of Gujarat. Khera is a district in Gujarat. So these are certain important facts that you have to remember. In examination, it is asked कि a particular district is from which state. Major revolt in the Indian independence movement, Khera movement or Khera Satyagraha is considered to be as the major revolt in the Indian independence movement. It was the third Satyagraha movement which was launched 7 days after the Ahmedabad mill strike. See, Ahmedabad mill strike was another movement by Mahatma Gandhi, but today in this particular lecture I won't discuss anything about Ahmedabad mill strike. That will be in a separate lecture. Now let's look who were the leaders in the Khera Satyagraha. The first prominent leader was Karamchand Gandhi, then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mohanlal Pandya. Mohanlal Pandya was very important personality in this Khera Satyagraha. Now, Mahadev Desai was another leader. Mahadev Desai was very much popularly, he was known to be the personal secretary of Mahatma Gandhi. Another leader was Ravi Shankar Vyas and Indulal Yagnik. Okay, they were the prominent leaders in the Khera Satyagraha. Now let me tell you about the struggle in the Khera Satyagraha. You can see the two very important leaders, Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. They were the very prominent leaders. The struggle was that the British administration, they increased the taxes on agriculture in Khera region by 23%. Whereas in that particular year or last year, the Khera district was going through a famine, cholera and plague. Alright. In spite of this, the British government were reluctant to reduce taxes, whereas the agriculture was very much bad during that particular year. The people of Khera, they agitated, they requested or pleaded the British administration to suspend the taxes on agriculture for that very year. So, by the land revenue system of the Britishers, for agriculture, if the agriculture produce is more than 1 anna, see, if the agriculture produce is more than 1 anna, then the agriculture is taxable. Okay. Due to famine, due to cholera or plague, the agriculture was very bad and the value was less than 1 anna according to the people in the Khera region. But what happened, according to the British records, they said it is way more than the value of 1 anna. So British, according to the law, they imposed tax. Along with that, they increased taxes by 23%. Okay. Now, Sardar Patel and his colleagues organized a major tax revolt. The people of Khera or the peasants of Khera, they won't pay taxes to the British administration. But initially, the revolt was initiated, or the movement was initiated by Mohanlal Pandya. He was the initiator of the Khera movement. Do remember, if question is asked who started the Khera movement or protest or agitation in Khera region, He was Mohanlal Pandya. But it is more organized when Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel came into the Khera Satyagraha and gave it a organized form. Okay, petition calling for the tax for this year to be scrapped in wake of the famine. That means in this Satyagraha, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, they requested the British government कि you should scrap the tax for that particular year because of famine. But the British government was very much reluctant. So Mahatma Gandhi along with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and the people of Khera, they went for Satyagraha. They started fighting for truth. And ultimately, the British government has to change its tax norm and they has to what? Forgive the people for paying taxes for that very particular year and for the next year also. They also reduced the tax for the very particular year. So we can say the Khera movement was very much successful. So that's all about, or a short lecture about Khera movement. Dear aspirants, you stay tuned to our platform for such videos of history related topics from me. Thank you so much.